Hey guys, we got a new kit to look at. This is the new AMT 70 Monte Carlo Lowrider Custom Cruisers. Here's this side. Here's this side showing them cool graphics. And there's the bottom. Let's open it up and take a look. Alright, here's our chrome suspension part. Here's our front and rear bumper, our lowrider rims. Here's our lowrider tires, our little white walls. Here's our glass and our reds. I'm going to leave those in the bag so they don't get damaged. Here's our rear suspension, our drive shaft, our exhaust. Here's our bucket seat, our batteries for the hydraulics, if you wanted to open up the trunk. Here's our steering wheel, our oil pan, our valve covers, our intake, the rest of our exhaust. Here's our frame. Our back seat, our fender skirts, our door panels. Here's our hood. Front suspension. Here's our engine, our dashboard, center console, firewall, fan shroud, our heads. Not sure what that is. Maybe some lines for something. Here's our lowrider instructions. And then here's that really cool decal sheet with the green flames and the white ghost flames, which are kind of cool. Here's our interior tub. And our Monte Carlo body. Just pretty clean, little bit of flash. It's to be expected. It's an AMT kit. Overall though, it's in pretty nice shape. Yeah, so there we go. This will be the next thing I'm building. Not sure if I'm gonna do it purple or do it green or choose a different color. I'm not really sure yet. And I'm not gonna open the trunk up, I know that. I just would be afraid of wrecking it. And I don't want to do that. But I think it would look good, a green with the green and yellow flames on it. So there's that. And then show you some 3D stuff I've been working on. So did this. The alien queen with the regular aliens next to it and the little pods. Little face hugger crawling back here. So this will be cool once I can get it all primered and painted. It should turn out really good. Pretty cool for a diorama. A lot of nice detail to it. I need to clean it real good though with some rubbing alcohol. Knock some of this stuff off of it. But yeah, you guys all have a great day. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.